Hi guys, so I'm going to show you the makeup that I do on a daily basis. I have olive skin and this really works for me. I think it will work for all the olive skin tones. I like my base to be very light. I don't want to paint my face. I don't like all that. What normally they show on every other post, the makeup artist, and I'm not a makeup artist. I want to keep it very light and simple. Also what blends with my face. So yeah, let's get started. This moisturizer, it's from Bobbi Brown. It's very lightweight. And after the moisturizer, I'm going to put the foundation. This is AMC range from Inglot. I really love it. It's very lightweight and it's very nice. No, I don't put concealer or corrector because that's too heavy of a base. I mean, like, that will be too much. You can always have concealers or correctors or the foundation. I mean, like, as per what I think, as per what makes it light me. I think makeup is from person to person. It cannot be what the one person is doing will work for the other person as well. Some people like really literally paint their faces, which I'm not that kind of a person. Maybe it works for them. I can't do that because I mean, like, at the end of the day, it feels that there is a baggage on the face. Then I'm gonna use my matte Ruby Woo from Wimac as my color corrector for my under eyes. This is very nice. I mean, like, this works wonders. Why? Because this is matte. I don't have a matte primer. I mean, like, I don't have to spend extra on a concealer or a corrector. I use this lipstick on my lips and as a corrector, and it works very nice because it's sweat proof as well. I'm going to use this palette with just my fingertips, just for a very natural makeup. This is a very natural shade, if you can see. And yeah, again, it's not that heavy because I don't want to put a lot of colors on my eyes, so I'm not even doing a lot of heavy work. Yes, they put a heavy base for when you do a lot of eye work done, and I don't do it all the day. So yeah, I'm just going to put my liner, wing shaped, and yeah, this is what I've done. That is for my eyes, and now I'm going to use my foundation again. I'm going to blend it with the corrector. That's important. This is a very important step for when you make a tree on your nose. Inverted triangles. Now to set it, I'm going to use my powder, my compact. So this is the compact. I take my powder and I'm going to set. You always take it towards your hair, the roots. I think it works perfect. Yes, a little bit of dark circles you can see, but it's okay. I mean, I'm happy with how it turns out to be. I don't want to put a lot of makeup on my face. I like it more lightweight, and this is the blush that I'm using. I use it like this only because with my fingers it has a better blending capability. With a brush you can't do this. It actually mixes with my powder and the compact because the way I'm pushing it outside. Yeah, this we're done. It's pretty simple, pretty easy. And yeah, lipstick. I really like this makeup. If you have any questions about it, let me know in the comment section.